Sad story. 2 3.8 vehicles have to die today, and they both run perfect. Tisk tisk. Well, this video is dedicated to the Wild family from Buffalo, New York. Proud donators of this shirt. They sent it to me last week. We've got a battery in this thing, and we are going to start this engine and crush it while it's revving high. Let's fire her up. Perfect. Runs like a champ. Now I want to disconnect the battery to save it. Still running, and battery is out. So we are ready. Put a piece of wood in the throttle. There we go.
Car's getting fucked over. One's running. I don't know why. Going by. Cool. Yes.
It revved full blown at last minute.
That's funny.
Came off. The intake brake.
Yeah. Well, was it as good as you thought? That thing kept running until I was all the way across it.
You even revved up.
It didn't even break the intake.
I know.
Holy crap.
Let's try and start it again. It might run.
Oh, well, that's gonna spray. Yeah.
It looks like the motor's still good. It didn't even break the throttle body off. Wow. Wonder why it died.
It didn't even push it down, really.
Oh, it could have crushed the fuel pump. You can't kill a Buick.
Let's do it again. Let's drive over.
Listen to that thing running at 100 RPM idle. Top rev limit is 1100 RPM. Back for more. Part 2. Get her done. leakage now. Now let's go check out the carnage. Carnage? You know what I mean?
Lift your blade!